Hey, this is Avi. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an item to 17Track after you sign up, and also how you can add notes. So this is one of my orders, and just blur it just so it doesn't reveal any personal information. And this is after you sign up for 17Track. It's going to track the number. It's going to try to find the carrier automatically. If it doesn't find it, then you can enter a carrier that's as long as it's in the list. So it took a few minutes. Now it actually located the item and it found out it was Israel Post. And I could click add memo and I could write a note. So I could write a package for me. And then the note is not sent anywhere. It's saved in your 17Track account. And this way it's easier to remember stuff. And that's it for today's video. Please like, share, and subscribe.